Before the mountains touch the sky, before the stars begin to shine, you were God and you remain faithful through the years and time. Every kingdom fades away, every crown falls to the ground, but your throne stands unshaken, and your glory still surrounds. Holy forever, worthy forever, King of heaven, Lord of all. Holy forever, faithful forever, at your feet we humbly fall. Let every nation sing your praise, let every heart lift up your name. You are holy forever, holy forever. When the storms are raging high and the darkness fills the night,